If you want to start trading in realistic conditions but with virtual capital, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do it. Hi guys, my name is Otman with New Trading, and let's get right into this video. The first step is going to visit the ProRealTime website. I will leave a link in the description below, and you can click on the start button just over here. Once you've clicked, you'll be prompted to create an account, which takes about 10 seconds, just enough time for a quick coffee sip. After that, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which may seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're gonna go through the key features together. Quick disclaimer: trading involves significant risks and may not be suitable for all investors. Refer to the full disclaimer on the screen and visit our website for more information. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. First off, go to Preferences on the bottom right hand of your screen and click there. Then go to the Paper Trading tab, and here you will be able to set up your initial portfolio amount. While this is a trading simulator, we want everything to be as realistic as possible, so I suggest indicating the real amount that you'd be ready to invest to open a trading account. Be realistic with your amount. Practicing with $100,000 and then switching to a few $1,000s when things get real is like practicing on a racehorse and then switching to a donkey for the actual race. Nobody wants to do that. We will input $5,000 just here, and we will leave the brokerage settings as they are and click on Reset Portfolio. We confirm. And now we have a paper trading account set up with $5,000 to play with. The great thing about this simulator is that it's completely free for an unlimited amount of time in terms of resetting your account or trading duration. This means that you don't have to feel pressured thinking you only have 1 week left before switching into a real trading account. You can really take as much time as you need, and when you feel ready, you can convert to a real trading account. But it's always an option. It's never an obligation. Now, let's look at some of the key features of ProRealTime. First, there's a search bar on the top left hand of your screen where you can look for the financial product you want to trade. So let's imagine I want to look for the Bitcoin. I'm going to type it in, select it from the suggestions, and here I have the current value, today's performance, and the price chart itself. Before placing any type of market orders, keep in mind that this chart is configurable, and the first parameter to adjust is the time unit. Each rectangle on the chart is a Japanese candlestick, representing different time periods. But don't worry, I will explain how Japanese candlesticks work in another video. To make sure you won't miss it, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. For now, know that you can set each candlestick to represent different time periods, making the chart flexible for your needs. You can click on the time frame button on the top left over here to change your chart from a 1 hour chart to a 5 minutes chart. There are also shortcuts at the bottom that let you quickly change how much price history is shown. You can pick from 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or even more using these shortcuts. Now, let's take a look at the indicators. Click on the indicators button at the top right here, and this will display a menu with a large variety of technical indicators. Let's imagine I want to add a simple moving average, so I'm going to type it, and here I can select it from the suggested options, and this will make it appear directly on my price chart, helping me identify trends more easily. You can customize this indicator by clicking on it and adjusting its settings, such as the period length. Short periods like 10 to 20 days make the moving average more sensitive to recent price changes, which is useful for day traders or short-term traders. Long-term periods like 50 to 200 days smooth out the moving average, making it better to identifying long-term trends. I can make a video about the most popular technical indicators. If you're interested in that, just let me know in the comment section. For now, you can explore the available indicators and add them onto your price chart. If you want to remove one of them, you can click on the indicator and delete just over here, and it will be removed from your price chart. Now, let's take a look on how we can add a chart to our workspace. Click on the Add a Chart button on the top right of your screen, and here we can choose to split the chart vertically, for example, and this will display a second chart right next to the initial one I have. I can customize this chart by selecting the time frame or the instruments, and this will allow me to compare both charts side by side. Now, let's come back to the initial view by clicking on this cross over here and have a look at another powerful tool, drawing trend lines. Click on the Objects tool on the menu on the left and choose a line. Here we are going to pick an oblique support. All we need is a low point, second low point, and that way I can have my support that is drawn over here. I'm going to add the resistance, which is the exact same process, but we are going to pick a red oblique resistance. And from here, I have this high point, a second high point, and this helps me see where the market is going in this specific time frame. Now, let's learn how to place a market order. A market order allows you to buy or sell a financial product at the current market price. To place a market order, first ensure that you are on the right financial instrument. Then you can adjust the quantity by clicking on the minus or the plus signs, or you can indicate the amount you want to trade directly. So here, let's imagine we want to trade this fraction. We can either buy if we think that the price are going to go up, or we can sell if we think that the price are going to go down. For the purpose of this video, and just as an example, I'm going to put buy. And this will open up this paper trading ticket that I can use to validate my market order. So I'm going to validate, and my order will appear right on the chart on this blue line, but we can also see it on this tab that recaps all the orders we have executed. Monitoring your open position is crucial to make informed decisions about when to close a trade or when to let it run. Now, let's take a look at limit orders and their associated risk management features. A limit order allows you to set up a specific price at which you are ready to buy or sell a security. These are available right next to the buy and sell buttons on the top right of your screen. So I'm going to click on that, and over here it's going to open up this ticket. You can set up the profit target and the stop loss as well as the limit order. So right now the Bitcoin is at 68,900, something like that. We're going to set up that we are ready to buy this at 68, let's say 900, and our profit target is at 68,970, for example, and we don't want to go below 68,800. So this is just for the example. Once everything is ready, you can adjust the quantity with the minus and the plus signs, or you can just indicate the quantity that you want to trade, and then I can click on buy. I will have this recap, I can double check that, and if everything is good to go, I can click on validate, and now my order has been placed. So if the price reaches the amount I have set up on my limit, so I think that happened already, my limit order got activated at a better price than what I set initially, which is quite nice. And my stop loss also got triggered super quickly. So this illustrates the speed at which you can lose money on the financial markets. One of the most common questions paper traders ask is how long should I be paper trading before investing real money? So there is no one-size-fits-all answers for this, as it depends on your comfort level, market knowledge, and trading strategy. A good rule of thumb would be to aim for 3 to 6 months of paper trading experience before switching to real trading. However, keep in mind, if you have a good performance on your paper trading account, it doesn't mean that it's going to be the exact same thing on your real trading account. Paper trading is here to help you get used to the markets. However, it's still a simulated experience. You will not have the exact same emotion or psychological bias that you will have when you are going to be investing real money. So be careful with that. On a trading simulator like ProRealTime, you really have all the time in the world to practice extensively to get used to the markets and how they work. So I really encourage you on your first trading session to pull every lever, click on every button, and really get used to how things work. Develop your strategies on a simulated experience. Analyze your trades, take it seriously. Don't just see it as a game or anything like that. Keep in mind also that even the most experienced traders lose money on the financial markets. And your first year as a new trader, your goal is really to try to survive and not get blown out by the financial markets. If you manage to do that, it's already quite an achievement, because you would have learned so many things when it comes to like trading, and you can take all this knowledge with you as you move forward. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any question or topic you'd like to see covered in future videos. Happy trading to you all, and I'll see you in the next video.